Hi everybody and welcome. We have some very exciting news. We are going to be unboxing today. We are unboxing our Prusa Mini.
What is a Prusa Mini?
Prusa was a gentleman who designed and has a whole slew warehouse of machines making new machines. So literally 3D printers print the 3D printers.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So this came from Prague. Do you know where that is?
Czech Republic.
Yes. Is that here in the United States?
No, very far away.
So once we received this, which was just a couple of days ago, we got very excited because we have a ton of projects that we would like to do on this little machine. So without further ado, Avery, you want to go ahead and start us up?
I think we should definitely do that.
Okay.
Should we go?
Just gentle, don't cut the box. Yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just going to try to cut you.
Alrighty.
Okay.
We're getting somewhere.
Alright. So as you can see, it comes in a cardboard box that was wrapped in wrapped in cellophane. We're going to go ahead and cut open the tape line here again. So I'm just going to have you go straight across. Alright, so once we've opened this up, you're going to come right up into the paperwork. So it's giving you a congratulations for purchase. You get your USB stick. This is very, very important because this is your piece that you're going to be putting your STL drives onto. You get your breakout of what's in there. And then we're going to go ahead and keep going. All right. So we're going to go ahead and take off that. So you can see there are some foam pieces in here to keep these separated and safe during shipping. We're going to pull those out. You're going to come right into the handbook. So the handbook and assembly manual are one piece. And then you will notice
we have a pack of Haribo gummy bears in here. Do you want to explain what this is all about?
So you're gonna need mini breaks in here to have a little sweet treat and a little bit of energy to go on. It is actually even in the manual as part of the process of putting it together.
They put breaks in the manual for us?
Yeah. So we'll have a moment to eat a gummy bear.
I have some Prusa PLA, Prusa Galaxy Black, and Pineapple Yellow.
That's really neat. We did not get, with our first one, we got a red color as well. So I'm guessing that they do whatever color they're featuring at that time. And then the Prusa Mint is Prusa's own version of Filament. So you can purchase Filament directly with this. I have our Filament Sensor and our spool holder.
I also have a spool holder.
Okay. We got our power cord, obviously.
And some tools and accessories.
No more gummy bears though, right?
No more gummy bears.
Silly.
Just the one.
We'll have a single wet wipe.
We'll share that too.
Lubricant.
And an LCD mini.
A steel sheet mini texture. So there are two different types of sheets in our box. We have the PEI sheet and then we have the textured sheet. We ordered the texture sheet as an extra to come with our kit. We highly recommend other people do this. I should also take this time to let you know we are not being sponsored by Prusa or anybody related. We bought all of this for our own personal use. So now that we've gotten all that out, we're gonna go ahead and I'll tilt this if you go ahead and grab that to show. Oh, maybe from here. I think this is all one piece.
Careful not to get it caught on any of the remaining pieces.
So as you can see inside the box, it's already partially there. So we're gonna go ahead and lift this next section up. I'm gonna go ahead and give another tilt so that you can go ahead and see that as it's laying in that box. Very nice and organized. For shipping, it looks like it didn't get dinged around at all. It looks really well organized and well thought out. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
All right, I would go pull up the plate. I'll pull out this thing. Now that should, yep, because that should slide.
Yep.
There you go. Yep.
Okay.
So as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and move that box right off onto the floor. You have a plate and I have the arm. This foam is really nice foam.
We could use that for our flower.
Right. All right, and then there is the arm. Okay, so inside this box we have DC power converter. Yay!
Really?
So exciting. All right, so we are going to need to start with a setup. So we're gonna go ahead and give you a visual of what we've got here. So as you can see, we've got everything laid out. We've got quite the mixed bag of things. The next step would be to actually sit down and start assembling this.
Yeah, there's a better video put out by Prusa, so we're gonna go build ours, but the link will be below for that video, which is super helpful.
We'd like you guys to remind you guys to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us here at AMP so that we can bring another bright idea to you.